How does electricity makes a bulb glow? Every time you flip that switch, a tiny world of science lights up before your eyes. Inside the bulb, there's more than just a wire, a glass shell, a tungsten filament, and a special gas. The filament is like the heart of the bulb. When electricity flows through it, the magic begins. The moment you switch on the bulb, current starts flowing through the wire. When it reaches the filament, which has a very high melting point, the current faces resistance as it tries to pass through. Because of this, it becomes hot, so it glows. And that's how electrical energy first changes into heat and then into light. Tungsten is used because it can handle such extreme temperature without melting, and the bulb is filled with inert gas to keep the filament out from burning. So, electricity flows, the filament resists, it heats up, and it glows to give us light. So, next time you turn on the light, remember you just turned electricity into brightness. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Learn physics with Anna for more such videos.